In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello, everyone. Okay, we are going to speak, inshallah, about used to in the past simple, okay, or past simple using used to. Okay, so we are going to discuss 3 points: affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Okay, I use used to express about something that used to be happen in the past, but right now it stopped. Okay, for example, 3 years ago, I play football. So I played football 3 years ago, but now I'm no longer playing football. So in this case, I use used to say something that a habit in the past, but now it is, yes, or now it was stopped. Okay, so affirmative form, I form it this way: subject plus used to plus verb, infinitive verb, or verb which is infinitive. So the sentence is formed this way: subject, used to, plus infinitive verb without any addition to the verb. Okay, so as I said, football used to be, yes, a habit for me. So I say I used to play football. Okay, that means this was a past habit that used to be, but now is no longer exist. I used to play football. Football used to be my custom or a habit for me, but right now it is no longer in my timetable or of my routine. Sally used to ride horse. Okay. In the past, 3 years or 2 years or 1 year ago, Sally's habit was riding a horse, but right now she is no longer. So I say Sally used to ride horse, okay, or used to ride a horse. That means now is no longer her hobby or is no longer her habit. Ahmed used to teach French. Okay, so Ahmed used to be a teacher of French language, but right now is no longer a teacher of French. He is teaching something else. Okay, so this is the first one. As we can see, the form is the same concerning the subject. We don't care about the subject, whether it is singular or plural. First, speaker I, we, he, she, it, you, we, you, they, all of them are formed in the same way: subject plus used to plus infinitive verb. So the second part of the rule is negative. How to form a negative sentence? Yes, and use to. It is formed this way: subject plus used to, subject plus didn't use to. Subject plus didn't use to. So when I use didn't, because I use didn't here, use comes infinitive without D. Why? The rule says that if I use verb to do, the verb that comes after the verb do should be infinitive plus infinitive verb plus a verb or infinitive verb. Okay. Subject didn't use to, infinitive verb. Okay, let's see some examples. We are going to take the same examples. I used to play football. If I want to make it negative, I say I didn't use to play football. Means that in the past, I didn't used to play football, but right now I'm playing football. Now it becomes my habit. In the past, it wasn't my habit. Okay, so Sally used to ride a horse. Sally didn't use to ride a horse. The last example, Ahmad used to teach French. Ahmad didn't use to teach French. Didn't use to teach French. Okay. The last point is interrogative or question. Interrogative or question. So in interrogative, I have two types of question. We have yes, no question, and we have information question. But in this lesson, we are going to discuss only yes, no question. Okay, so I start my sentence this way. Did plus subject plus used to plus infinitive verb. As we say, when we use did in a sentence, the verb that comes after should be infinitive. So I say, for example, did you use to swim? Okay. Was swimming your habit? Was swimming something that you used to do? So here I want the answer. The answer should be yes or no. Yes. I did. Or no, I didn't. Okay. Either I say yes, I did. If it is yes, affirmative, and if it is negative answer, I say no, I didn't. Another example, did she use to come early? Either I say yes, she did, or no, she didn't. Yes, she did, or no, she didn't. Okay, thank you for watching and listening.